We weren't even using anything.
Not really. Yeah, we're not drawing any current right now.
It was the stereo system. You guys need your lab coats on to figure this out.
I really like this color. It is pretty cool.
It's pretty dirty though.
What's this idiot doing?
He's getting our lab coats.
Oh, is that what he's doing?
We gotta make a thumbnail for Taylor.
Yeah, put that thing on there. Look at the mint thing.
It's turbo's still good, right? I kind of like it like this.
Y'all didn't play sports? Y'all didn't sports?
That dude didn't play any sports.
Yeah, you can guarantee that. What do we got here?
I bought enough.
I just mentioned it. You pull out lab coats.
Exactly.
Well, it shows my belly.
You got a tie. John, go to the house and get us a tie.
Pretty comfortable. Well, I got some place to put something now. Put some pants.
Pockets.
Pockets. Hey, it is getting kind of chilly nowadays. We need to, stay warm.
This is like that BMW jacket they're offering now.
You talking about the guests? Super Tech.
There you go. Alright, what do I do with my hands?
I don't know.
What we need to do is put that son of a bitch up in there.
You can't say bitch on YouTube.
That son of, you can bleep it out.
All right, guys, welcome back to another video of Poor Boys Racing.
We have the Fairmont on the lift. We are putting the new 4L80 in there, as you probably saw at the last video. But today we got the transcooler lines put up there. We're working on getting the wiring harness in. We got the dipstick in there. We got some other little things to address while it's on the lift, like some front brake issues, maybe the rear end while we're here.
It shouldn't be that hard.
You're just weak.
That's what she said.
So,
Anyways, we got a lot of work to do, so hope you guys enjoy this video. We've already filmed some, but I need to do an intro, so here it is.
We got ARPs. Drew Jackson would be proud.
We got some ARP boys. SFI rated flywheel. Some threaded rod.
Yeah, the threaded rod shifter's mint, bro. That's mint.
What more could you ask for? But really, Parsons came up with these.
Oh, that banjo's is on
Banjo
point, dude.
fittings is like might happily eat your heart
Got
out.
some clearance issues up in this thing.
Yeah, that's real tight.
Alright, for real, the only thing that's holding us out right now is the hole for the cable.
harness,
Right,
yeah.
for the harness.
And I think it needs to go over here because the ECU's like
Yeah,
right
the
here.
ECU's on that side.
Yeah. We end up with a little bit under the dash. That's no big deal.
Is it a problem to put it like right here?
Alright, we don't
Well,
we got a science video.
it's not a problem, but I don't know. I think it would be better to have it up here. There's actually an indention in the firewall right here. Can you see my hand?
How do we ever get a drill up in there
I
though?
think you can go from the inside out.
That'd be the only way.
So here's the big problem.
We're in.
Yeah. Don't think that's going to handle many 6.5 second passes.
That right there is
That's race rubber. It's fine. Just see how the rust dust come off that? Yeah. A little bit of surface right there. No biggie. Drag springs. Not really from 1981.
So we had like spider webs and the pinion
yeah, a
flaps?
little bit of
Or
spider,
spider
webs.
nets?
A little bit of this. Don't worry about that. This is what you really need to be worried about.
Dude, don't be showing that.
Dun, dun, dun. So what? Oh.
Figure out where the key is.
Do you have American sticker on it?
Made in America, brother. We can
Right.
to it.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Just like this water bottle pitch gun.
Just like this headlight.
All right, quit pointing out parts of our little sloppy ass build.
Don't worry about that. That saves space.
Right.
It's weight savings.
It'll expand when it's ready.
It's also recycled.
Oh, that ladder is tilted.
Yeah, you
That's
probably
why
need
you gotta
somebody
have
to hold it.
someone Support it.
Look at that. Look at that ladder moving skills.
You can be a drywaller now, dude. You can smoke crack.
I do smoke
And
crack
have drywall.
once in a while.
Just not at church.
I'll do a bump here and there, but not at church. I'll toot it. I'll toot that pipe.
But I don't freebase cocaine.
But I won't freebase.
Except on my birthday and Christmas.
If I'm in church, I will not freebase cocaine in church, unless it's during the hymn and I don't like something. Then I might get out there pipe and I bass in, and I will admit it. And then I won't do it during the sermon though. I will not freebase cocaine in church during the sermon unless I've heard it before.
So what we found is, looks like our transmission harness connector is going to be in the way of the old mount. So John here. John, show us the big tool. Show us what that thing do. That was my head. Looks like you need some help. We all need help.
He works in the money shop.
He did previously.
Did. No longer.
Oh, cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out. What do you think about that, Matt?
I mean, it's pretty mint. It's pretty effing mint. This is what you call, all right, you need to record this. This is a felony hole. That's what they call these. So for you people that don't break the law, when you're smoking crack and the cops pull you over, you put your crack through the hole in your floor and keep driving, and then you don't get a felony.
But we don't smoke crack, so we don't need that.
I mean, I'll take it too, bro.
I'll take it.
But not in church. Oh, this is gonna be easy.
It's easy when the kids will do it.
Women with kids would do it.
Women and kids.
Women with kids?
It's not far from being where it needs to go. I mean,
There's a whole lot of plans.
There's a 4LE there, brother.
did that help with something, John?
Yeah.
What you doing there, brother?
Trying to make a grease impression. This surface right here is not flat. That's why it won't make a nice grease impression right here.
I think you need your lab coat on.
Yeah. This is scientific.
I think you need to whip out the drill bit. That's what I think.
You can whip out your legs.
I mean, what are washers made for?
What's wrong with a little wiggle? You know what I mean?
You gotta make it fit right? I doubt it.
So this is our situation here. We've it's not scary at all, man.
Where's the town? Yeah, we're not pulling it out. I'm sure all that's on.
Oh, so we just lost power.
Yeah. Probably somebody just had a wreck.
Somebody probably had a drunk wreck.
Daggone. How are we gonna weld in the dark?
Phoning me here.
Come on, baby, you got it. Come on.
All right, that's all I got.
All right, guys. So we are gonna have to call it a night because the power went out and generator's not working. So
There's that.
we got a generator, but we're not using it because we can't weld with that. So, anyways, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one whenever the transmission's actually in there and working. So, peace.